Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great, and if you're new, welcome. So I wanted to show you a giveaway I won from Hillbilly's Creativity, and she's here on YouTube. I'm gonna link her channel down below, and I wanted to show you what I got. So I got this set of brushes. Let me open it up. Look at this cute set of brushes. It's like mini sizes, so it's perfect for traveling, and it comes in a little bag. I don't know how many it brings. 8 of them. This is actually pretty good for cutting the crease. I think I'm gonna like this one a lot. A little spoolie. That's always good to have. And this palette, which I've never heard of this brand before. So let me see. I don't even know what the colors are like or anything. This is it right here. Oh, they're mini sizes. It's a rainbow palette. This is pretty cute. I'm gonna do a neutral look today because I'm in a hurry and I have to do a whole bunch of stuff today. It's crazy. It's been hectic all these days. Plus I got sick and it's just been very crazy. And I'm gonna stick to this row over here. Kind of do like a smoky look, I guess. Hopefully I'll be getting back to my regular content soon, hopefully. I'm also going to use that same color at my lower lash line. Now I'm going to use that black in the palette. I'm going to put that all over the lid. I think I'm going to use this next color over here. It's like a light shimmer. It looks very pretty in the inner corner. Oh, it is. It's nice. And right over here. I think I want to use a pop of purple in my lower lash line just to give it a little color. I'm going to use the purple in the palette, this one. So I hope everybody's having a great December so far. Mine's been crazy since the beginning. I'll be back. I'm gonna put some eyeliners, mascara, maybe some falsies, and I'll be right back. So this is it. This is the final look. What do you think? I'm happy I won this. Thank you, Leslie. Again, I will link her channel down in the description box so you can check her out. This is a short video. I just wanted to let you know what was going on with me, and hopefully I'll be getting back to regular content soon, and I'll see you in the next video. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. That helps me out a lot, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.